Ever wondered if that spare change you're rounding up is actually being put to work by a team of financial pros? You've seen the ads, heard the buzz, and maybe even started using it, but a common question often pops up: is Raiz Invest a managed fund? It's a question that gets right to the heart of how your money is being handled, and understanding the answer is key to making informed investment decisions. Let's cut to the chase. Yes, Raiz Invest is a managed fund. More specifically, it operates as a registered managed investment scheme. This means when you invest with Raiz, your money is pooled with other investors' funds into a single scheme. This pooled money is then managed by professional investment managers who make decisions about where to invest it, based on the specific portfolio you choose. Think of it like this: instead of you individually buying shares in various companies or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, Raiz does it for you. They select a mix of ETFs that align with different risk profiles, from conservative to aggressive, and your money is invested into one of these pre-selected portfolios. The aim is to diversify your investments across different assets and industries, reducing overall risk compared to putting all your eggs in one basket. So, how does this managed aspect actually work? Raiz's system automatically invests your roundups, recurring deposits, or lump sums into your chosen portfolio. They also handle the rebalancing of your portfolio. What does rebalancing mean? Well, over time, the value of different assets within your portfolio can shift. For example, if shares in one sector perform exceptionally well, they might end up representing a larger portion of your portfolio than originally intended. Rebalancing brings your portfolio back to its target allocation, ensuring it continues to align with your chosen risk level. This automated rebalancing is a significant benefit of a managed fund, as it saves you the time and effort of constantly monitoring and adjusting your investments. One of the biggest appeals of Raiz, and managed funds in general, is accessibility. It makes investing incredibly easy for beginners, allowing you to start with small amounts, even just your spare change. You don't need to be an expert in financial markets or have a large sum of money to get started. The professional management takes care of the complexities, letting you focus on your financial goals without getting bogged down in the intricacies of stock picking. However, like all investments, there are fees involved. For standard portfolios, Raiz charges a monthly fee for account balances under a certain threshold, and a percentage-based annual fee for larger balances. These fees contribute to the cost of managing the fund, including the expertise of the investment managers and the operational aspects of the platform. It's always crucial to understand these fees and how they might impact your returns, especially with smaller balances where a fixed monthly fee can represent a larger percentage of your total investment. In essence, Raiz Invest provides a convenient, professionally managed way to invest, particularly for those looking to start their investment journey with micro-investing. It simplifies the process by handling portfolio construction and rebalancing, allowing you to gradually build your wealth over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.